Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Tech Macha. Yes, the craziest street tech show quiz in India's most brilliant tech city. I'm coming live right now from Indranagar, Bengaluru, and the basic excitement is this. That we're going to go ahead and get hold of two strangers who are going to go against each other one-on-one for a battle to 1,000 rupees. And the person who is going to lose is, well, going to do a slightly embarrassing punishment in public, which might just go viral. So if you're all set, let's go ahead and get into Tech Machada, because we are fueled by dosa and data. We have two wonderful people with us who are going to go against each other head to head. We're very serious at Tech Macha when it comes down to the format. Are you excited?
Very excited.
Nice. Every time I ask you guys the question, you're very quickly supposed to be using your reflex, saying the word cipher if you know the answer, and holding up that placard. Alright, here we go. What is the full form of USB?
Universal
Hey,
Cipher.
very good.
Universal Serial Bus.
Well done, Braj. All of the study has finally helped for you to answer this question on Tech Macha. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah, quite proud.
I was like, Raj को पता है ये सब.
साथी, तुम्हें पता है ना तुम्हें यहाँ पे पैसे मिल रहे हैं.
It's okay, Raj will give it back later in the evening.
Talk about pressure. Anyway, next question. Braj, don't peek, huh? What does Wi-Fi stand for? Cipher.
Wireless Fidelity.
Well done again, Braj.
Raj, you better give me the money. Okay, I'm just banking on getting the money back. I don't want to answer. Go ahead. Come on, let's go. Okay, next question I'll definitely try. Let's go.
Well, at least we have the spirit back in one of the players. Alright, here's the next one. Which is the company that created ChatGPT?
Is it OpenAI?
Well done.
Yes! Oh, I'm so proud of myself. God, is it correct? Thank God, one. Okay, yes.
And the funny part was she looked at Braj and said, "Ye theek tha na?"
I need validation from Raj. Yes, I got one answer right. Perfect.
Excellent. So the score right now, ladies and gentlemen, is 2-1. Next one. What does GPT
Oh my God.
stand for?
Do you know?
I don't know.
My goodness. You don't have ChatGPT to check. You do realize that.
Yeah, I don't have chat. Can I check though?
No, you cannot. That's
Just
not
one
in-
second. Trust me, 10 seconds I'll check it.
No, Sadhya. Alright.
What's the answer?
So the answer is generative pre-trained transformer.
It's there. We knew it. It was there. It was there somewhere in the back of your head. It was there. It was there somewhere. Oh God, we would have gotten it. Oh my God.
How back in the head is the question? But
इधर कहीं पीछे पे था. It was there. Perfect. Next question.
the final question. Which of these is an AI image generation tool? Alright, I'm going to throw up the plausible answers. DALL-E, Excel, Photoshop, Zoom.
Dolly.
Well done. We have a tie and we're going to have a sudden death. Wonderful. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is the question. Which company owns the Android operating system?
Google or Alphabet.
Well done, that is it. Braj, you have finally won. And it warms my heart. Sadhya, how's it been for you?
It's been fun. It was nice. I love the mascot.
Wonderful.
Amazing. Great. Yeah, this was fun. Money, me. Thank you. We'll split it. 80-10, yaar.
Nice. You do realize, right? You cannot leave because Braj has to perform a interesting punishment.
What?
Are you excited, Braj?
Why am I being punished?
I was just checking because you won. Well done. Sadhya, where are you going? Come here. Okay, so the fun punishment for you, Sadhya, is, but before that, we have to hand over the money to Vraj.
Nice. That was easy one.
You want to give a message to everyone who's watching?
Uh,
Mom and Dad?
Thank you very much, Mom and Dad, for educating me.
Well done, Vraj. These are the kind of emotional moments that we look forward to on Tech Macha. Are you now excited that you're going to find Sadhya going through some embarrassment? Yes?
Look at it. He's so happy. He's like, yes.
You're supposed to basically say this very loud to everyone who's passing by, which is one butter dosa, extra AI, no lag, please.
Oh, one butter dosa, extra AI, no lag, please.
Yes.
And just scream it to people.
Yes.
What a fun evening this has turned out to be. Wow, okay, anybody passing.
Anyone,
Oh,
yeah.
fuck,
Coming
I
now,
don't- I don't-
approaching.
Oh, fuck, no, uncle will judge me.
Nobody is going to judge you.
I'll look at her.
Okay, fair enough. She's wearing headphones, so you have got wonderful luck right now. Keep walking away.
Hi.
One
One butter dosa with extra what?
AI.
With extra AI without any lag. We got this. Did you hear me? One masala dosa with extra butter, with extra AI and no lag, please.
Are you going to deliver this order? Fair enough, champ.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for being such a wonderful sport. Thank you. Alright, it's been a pleasure, both of you, for being on Tech Macha. We thoroughly are happy, excited, and you have warmed our hearts today.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We had amazing fun. We're going to spend that money exactly today itself.
Excellent.
Yeah, we know all the bills are going to get paid by Viraj today. Yes, thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye, bye, bye. Have a good fun.
Well, we saw emotion, we saw excitement, we saw tension, we saw a tiebreaker, we saw all of that and more, and we promise you loads and loads of more excitement on Tech Macha. But before we leave, I have to give you a fun fact. Did you know that if you went ahead and searched askew, the word, on Google, yes, the browser, well, the entire page goes a little, well, you guessed it, askew. So stuff like that and lots more excitement on Tech Macha, because we are powered by Cypher 2025 and fueled by dosa and data. And I think now I'm all set to go on airplane mode. Bye bye.